Let's discuss the common problem in society by mosquito. Malaria test. What is malaria test? Malaria is a serious disease caused by a parasite. Parasites are tiny plants or animals that get nutrient by living off another creature. Parasites that cause malaria are passed to humans through the bite of infected mosquitoes. At first, malaria symptoms may be similar to those of the flu. Later on, malaria can lead to life-threatening complications. Why malaria test is done? Malaria tests are used to diagnose malaria. If malaria is diagnosed and treated early, it can usually be cured. Left untreated, malaria can lead to life-threatening complications, including kidney failure, liver failure, and internal bleeding. What are the common symptoms of malaria? Let's discuss. Fever, chills, fatigue, headache, body aches, nausea, and vomiting. In the later stages of infection, symptoms are more serious and may include high fever, shivering and chills, convulsions, bloody stools, jaundice, seizures, mental confusion. How malaria test is done? Your blood sample may be tested in one or both of the following ways. First, blood smear test. In blood smear, a drop of blood is put on a specially treated slide. A laboratory professional will examine the slide under a microscope and look for parasites. Second, rapid diagnostic test. This test looks for proteins known as antigen, which are released by malaria parasites. It can provide faster result than a blood smear, but a blood smear is usually needed to confirm a diagnosis. What do the result mean, or how to know the result of malaria test? Here we go. If your result were negative, but you still have malaria symptoms, so you may need retesting. The number of malaria parasites can vary at times, so your provider may order blood smears every 12 to 24 hours over a period of 2 or 3 days. It's important to find out whether you have a malaria so you can get treated quickly. If your results were positive, your healthcare provider will prescribe medicines to treat the disease. The type of medicine will depend on your age and how serious your malaria symptoms are, and whether you are pregnant or not. When treated early, most cases of malaria can be cured. Let's discuss the treatment for malaria. Malaria is treated with prescription drugs to kill the parasite. The type of drugs and length of treatment will vary depending on which type of malaria parasite you have, the severity of your symptoms, your age, whether you are pregnant or not. First, treatment of P. vivax cases. Positive P. vivax cases should be treated with chloroquine in full therapeutic dose of 25 mg/kg divided over 3 days. Vivax malaria relapses due to the presence of hypnozoites in the liver. The relapse rate in Vivax malaria in India is around 30%. For its prevention, Primaquine may be given at a dose of 0.25 mg/kg daily for 14 days under supervision. Primaquine is contraindicated. Second, treatment of P. falciparum cases. The treatment of P. falciparum malaria is based on areas identified as chloroquine resistant / sensitive as listed in annexure. Artemisinin combination therapy ACT should be given in resistant areas where chloroquine can be used in sensitive areas. ACT should be given only to confirm P. falciparum cases found positive by microscopy or RDT. But it's important to start treating malaria as soon as possible. Your provider will prescribe medicine to kill the malaria parasite. Some parasites are resistant to malaria drug. Some drugs are given in combination with other drugs. The type of parasite will determine what type of medication you take and how long you take it. Anti-malaria drugs include artemisinin drugs. The best treatment for Plasmodium falciparum malaria, if available, is artemisinin combination therapy. But remember, the treatment of malaria depend on the laboratory, depend on the dose of medications, and depend on your country. From where country you live, the medication will provided by your country may be different. So if you want to go for the treatment, you need to consult your doctor whether you live in India or outside from India.